Hey everyone, welcome to Make Anything. I'm Devin, and today we've got a special Tuesday video because I wanted to announce the results of my giveaway for 300,743 subscribers. I won't always do a video just to announce the results of the giveaway, but we've got a lot of winners this time, and I've also got a couple pieces of fan mail that I wanted to open that have been sitting in my P.O. box for a long time, so I figured I'd make a quick little video to get all that information out there. But I know a lot of you just want to see the results for the giveaway, so we're gonna start with that. Over here we've got the AlphaWise U20 3D printer offered by GearBest. I've got to thank them for sponsoring this giveaway and offering one of these machines. One lucky winner is gonna get this thing shipped to them for free. Well, 10 cents, but hey, 3D printer for 10 cents, that's a sweet deal. And with this giveaway, we have more runners up than ever. And I wouldn't even call it a runner-up because the prizes are pretty cool, if I might say so myself. 8 other people are gonna win all these different 3D prints. They're all personal designs, so I've got some of my newest color variations of the curved hole, straight pole illusion, some acorn containers. I've got a golden Astrolabicon, the Rota keyboard, this really cool smoothed out chromatic container, my cell vase, a bunch of little hats and stuff. We've got my mini Monstera plant, we've got lock puzzles, we've got a little 3D Make Anything logo. These are gonna be distributed among 8 winners, as well as some really cool iron-on Make Anything patches. Okay, so just so you know, besides the grand prize winner, these other prizes, I'm gonna figure out how to distribute them after the fact, probably randomly as well, but for now I'm just gonna list the names of the winners. So from Patreon, the winners are Lisa Anderson from Illinois, Oliver England from Florida, Michael Pedersen from Denmark, Emily Kirkman from Georgia, and Dominique Lyoen from France. So there we go, a lot of patrons. Some have been around for several months. I mean, we've got 2 of my board of trustees up here. I promise it wasn't rigged. It's just a cool coincidence. But hey, congratulations to those 5. You're gonna win some of the really cool prints up here. Also winning some prints, we have Bennet Zukas from Pennsylvania. We've got Shimon Graff from Maryland, and Kyle Hagerty from California. So all the names I just listed, you'll be getting an email soon, and you're gonna be getting some of these really cool first edition special, super special edition prints sent to you. I'll reach out to you guys with an email. As far as the AlphaWise 3D printer, the randomly selected winner was Ido Kaplan from Israel. So Ido, congratulations, you're gonna get an email as well, and you're the winner of an AlphaWise 3D printer for 10 cents US. We're gonna have to translate that to Israeli currency. Shekels? I don't know. All right, great. That was quick and fun. Nice. Finally, let's take a look at some of the fan mail I got in the past few months. I don't really advertise it much or beg for fan mail, so I don't get too much, but I got 3 packages. We're gonna start with the letter here from Callum. Callum is coming from Canada. Awesome. Always love some international love. Let's see what Callum has. He says, feel free to read on camera. Actually, please read on camera. So, he wanted to know if I've ever been to Canada. Actually, Callum, I haven't, but I would love to visit. Canada looks like a lovely place. Sent on March 28th, so that's how long it takes for me to get to these. He drew a little Make Anything and said, Make Anything is so good. It is the only YouTube channel I watch. Good control. Sorry I couldn't print something for you, but thanks for being so awesome. Well, thank you so much, Callum, for sending me a message. And what do we have here? Oh, a lovely drawing. He actually did a really good job with my logo there. That's not easy to get all the triangles that even. I'm impressed. Don't forget to give a shout out. Callum, Pero, there's your shout out. I'm so amazed with all your interesting creations. Keep up the good work. And of course, stay inspired. By the way, you're my favorite YouTuber. Love all your videos. Stay awesome. Don't forget to stay inspired. Hey, all that good stuff. Thank you, Callum. All right, next up we've got a package from Jonathan coming from Michigan. Might as well use this for fun. Ah, yes, I've been awaiting this. Looks like something fell apart here. Is this a cube mechanism? Oh, that's cool. And yes, this is what I've been waiting for. We've got this really cool 2x2 make anything cube. And I'm already mixing it up. I probably shouldn't have just started doing this. I'm definitely not gonna do it right now, but this is really nice. It moves really smoothly. And this explains why it moves so well. So he actually, I'm guessing he printed around this mechanism so that it works really nice and smooth. And the print looks great. Let's go ahead and read, oh, there's more. Ooh, 4 of these, that's so cool. You really want me to make some 2x2 puzzles, don't you, Jonathan? Jonathan wrote me a long, thoughtful letter, but I'll just summarize it for you guys. Back during my Christmas sale last year, Jonathan bought one of my Make Anything coasters, and he liked the way it looked and ended up converting that into this 2x2. He saw my last fan mail video and thought, hey, he could do better because he's a maker. And sure enough, he whipped up this really awesome little Make Anything 2x2 mod. He's hoping I could use those little 2x2 extension mods and basically stick on different parts to make really cool 2x2s like he did. It's super simple, about as easy as twist puzzles get, and he gave me nice thorough instructions on how to achieve that. So I just might have to make some 2x2 puzzles. He also suggested I look at Greg's Puzzles, another channel where he made a 33 cubed Rubik's Cube, and yeah, that's a really cool idea. So he said, I really hope you enjoy your little puzzle. I love what you do and the inspiration you bring to the maker community. Happy puzzling. From a fellow maker, Jonathan Byrne. Thank you so much, Jonathan, and the cube is really awesome. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that. Okay, finally we've got one more package, and this one is from Noah in West Virginia. He's got a fancy container with a pull tab. Whoa. I'm guessing this is not actually a box of Cheez-Its. He's got a little handcrafted box here. I'm a little scared. I think something might pop out at me. Cut here. It's got instructions. All right. Let's see. Let's open it together. Oh, lovely. A little bit of packaging. A little bit of his favorite filament colors, I guess. These are very interesting. And we got a Benchy. Noah says, Dear Devin, I own a 3D printer and I thought I would try to print with Weed Eater string. I printed a Benchy and it was printed with 10% infill, no supports, and honeycomb infill. I would like you to make a video and experiment with it yourself. You know what, Noah? I actually did print with Weed Trimmer back in an old video where I was testing different filaments, and among those I actually printed with this Weed Eater string. So go ahead and check that out, but thanks for the reminder. I might have to try some more tests. For those of you out there interested, he says Weed Eater string prints like a semi-flexible filament. Since it is nylon, it's like a little fireworks show. And I saw that as well when I was printing with it. Lots of steam and hissing out. So he says it makes good keychains, and he's 12 years old. That's some awesome experimentation you're doing at age 12, Noah. Great job. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much to Noah and Jonathan and Callum for the fan mail. If you want to send me something, I'll put the address to my public mailbox in the description for the next time way off in the distance when I do another fan mail video. And congratulations to all the winners of this competition. I really want to thank all of you for helping bring this channel to 300,000 plus subscribers. I look forward to making more cool stuff for you. Until next time, I'm Devin. This is Make Anything. Don't forget to stay inspired.